Today we are creating some fun art. Pouring paint is a fun way to dabble in painting without needing to commit a lot of time or energy. This piece we did today, we finished in less than 10 minutes, so let's get into it. Grab a small canvas and plastic cup. We also recommend grabbing something to protect your workspace, like a plastic sheet, as pouring can get messy and is unpredictable. We also wear gloves to keep our hands clean. For this pour, we are going to grab 4 colours. All of the colours in the SuperCell range work well together, so pick your favourite colours. I'm going to grab gold, lamp black, turquoise and light purple. Next, we are going to add the colours directly into the cup. I find pouring them slowly creates the best results. Shake the bottle before pouring them in. You don't want to pour too much in. I'm aiming for about 1/8 of a cup so I can get multiple layers of the same colour in there. So as I'm pouring them in, I'm just alternating between gold, black, turquoise and purple. But trying not to pour too much black and gold in, as these can overpower the other 2 colours. You also want to fill the cup all the way to the top. Once we filled the cup up, we are ready to start pouring. We are just going to pick up the cup and slowly pour the paint onto the canvas. I'm focusing on pouring directly into the middle of the canvas, but you can try zigzagging across the canvas, as long as you keep the paint on the canvas at this point. There's no wrong way to do this. Pouring art is all about experimenting. Once you've emptied the cup, we can pick up the canvas and start tilting it to move the paint to the edges of the canvas. Try to tilt the canvas slowly in small circles to make it easier to get to the edges. Once it's mostly to the edges, you can tilt to try and cover the corners of the canvas too. Some paint may run off the canvas at this point, and that's totally fine. It's all part of the process. It's fun watching the art take shape as it moves around the canvas. If you have any trouble getting the paint to the corners, you can grab a wooden stick and use it to spread the paint, or you can always pop more paint into your cup and pour it onto the blank areas. You should see all the paint starting to create little patterns and the colours revealing other colours underneath. Once all of the corners are covered, you're done. Put it aside. This may take a while, up to a day or 2. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed and learnt something today. Stay creative and we'll see you next time.